exactly how to create a digital product and start making money with it. Let's get to work. Yo, what's going on, great people? It's your boy Nick Shine here. In this video, you are going to learn exactly how to create a digital product, step by step, what you need to do, where you need to go, and I'm going to give you the full breakdown on how you can do that and start doing it immediately. All right. First things first, you know something. There's something that you are knowledgeable in. There's some information that you hold, okay? It can be cooking, it can be gardening, it can be basketball, it might be travel, golf, sports, whatever, okay? Social media, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. There's something that you have an interest in, there's something that you are knowledgeable in, and there's something that you may be an expert at, right? And the key thing that you must ask yourself is this, okay? What am I good at? What am I good at? What am I knowledgeable in, right? What category do I have an interest in, okay? These are the questions you must ask yourself first. And I would highly recommend that you get a notebook right now, okay? And ask yourself this question. What am I good at? And just simply list, let's say 10 things. What are you good at, okay? What have other people said that you were good at, okay? What can you make money with, okay? And what does the world need, okay? Those 4 things. On a piece of paper, ask those questions. Now, once you've done that, first thing is this, okay? Once you found your category, your area of expertise, your area of knowledge, your area of interest, okay? You need to go to askthepublic.com, okay? At askthepublic.com, you're simply going to put in your niche. You're going to put in your area of expertise, okay? You're going to put in the area where you have the most knowledge, all right? Now, Ask the Public is going to give you information based on what people are searching for, okay, in that category, all right? So let's just say, for example purposes, let's take swimming, right? You're going to find out exactly what people are searching via Google, YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, so on and so forth, right? And what people may be searching may be, let's say, for example purposes, how to do a backstroke, right? How to doggy paddle, how to, hold your breath for, longer underwater, whatever, right? People are going to be asking these questions. So you are going to find, okay, at askthepublic.com, you're going to find what people are searching for online. What are they looking for? What problems do they have, right? That they're looking for a solution for, okay? Because what you are going to become, you are going to now become a solutionist, all right? You're going to find out what people are searching for in your category, what problems they have in your category, and you're going to be the solutionist, the problem solver, okay? That's going to answer the question, that's going to solve the problem that people are having, all right? So once you've got that, okay, the next thing you want to do is this, okay? You want to use this tool, this AI smart system. I'm sure you've heard of it before. It's called ChatGPT, all right? This is going to be your personal assistant, okay? ChatGPT, you're going to tell ChatGPT, because how ChatGPT works, you have to give ChatGPT a command, all right? So you're going to tell ChatGPT, you are an expert swimmer, okay? Still using the example of swimming. You are an expert swimmer with the knowledge of Michael Phelps, right? Whatever. ChatGPT is going to say, okay, how can I help you, right? You're going to ask ChatGPT, what are the 10 most important things that I need to know as a beginner swimmer in order to become an expert swimmer like Michael Phelps, right? In literally 5 minutes, maybe even less, right? ChatGPT is going to just spit out the information for you, okay? It's going to give you the top 10 things that you need to know in order to go from a beginner swimmer to an expert swimmer, okay? Once you've got those 10 things, you then are going to plug each one back in one at a time, okay? Once you've got the first thing that you need, let's say the first thing is, let's say, working on your breathing first, okay? Working on your breathing, how to, hold your breath underwater. Let's say that's the beginning stage of, swimming, right? You were then going to plug that back in and tell ChatGPT to write you 3 pages, okay, on how to, increase your breathing, how to increase your breath underwater, right? Boop, 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 boop. ChatGPT is going to write your full 3 pages, okay? But the thing here is that you're going to do it for each and every category, okay? All that 10 list that you got, you're going to do it for each and every one, okay? Now, once you've done all of that, okay, what you're then going to do, you're going to plug each page that you got, okay, each chapter, you're going to plug that into a website called Canva, all right? Now, there's 2 options when it comes to Canva. There's a free version, okay, and then there's a paid version. Now, I highly recommend you get the paid version because you got so many different tools. You have so many different, ebooks and PDFs and things like this that you can, use, right, when it comes to the platform. So you're going to go to Canva, okay, and you're simply going to copy and paste each paragraph into Canva, okay? Each chapter, each paragraph, and you can design it. You can change the fonts. You can add little, little symbols and images and, whatever. Make it, how you want it to be, okay? Now, what I also recommend, once you've got, the paragraphs and the pages from ChatGPT, I also recommend editing it to kind of make it a little bit more personal, right? To make it a little bit more personal, to make it kind of sound more like you would be writing it, right? Now, let's say you may not be good at writing, right? You can simply just keep it how it is, okay? Because that's totally fine. You can keep it how it is. Or, okay, you can go to a website called quillbot.com, okay? Quillbot.com, and you can simply plug in each paragraph, okay? You can plug in each paragraph, plug in each page into quillbot.com, and it's gonna just, pretty much change the wording around, right? You can have it, set in a more casual tone. You could have it set in a more, let's say, inspirational type tone. You can have it, set in a more of, let's say, a lecture type tone. So you can kind of just, change the wording around and it'll change the words, but it can also change the tonality of the actual layout of everything. You get what I'm saying? So you can keep it the same, okay? Or you can just plug it into Quillbot and you can, have Quillbot kind of, make it, adjust it and edit it a little bit, better for you, right? Or you can just edit it yourself. So those are your 3 options that I would recommend. Now, once you've got everything on Canva, once you've got it all, put together how you want it, right? You got your chapters, you got all your pages and everything like that. You should now have a good 35 to 40 page ebook, okay? Now, you want to download it as a PDF file, okay? Download it as a PDF file, okay? Once you've got it downloaded as a PDF file, you then need to have a website where you can host it, okay? And the platform that is seamless, the platform that I use, the platform that I highly recommend you use, okay, is called StanStore. Now, again, the reason why I suggest StanStore simply because it's seamless, it's simple, it's easy, right? But also, it gives you, all the data behind the scenes, right? It lets you know, okay, how many people actually visited your page. It gives you, where they actually came from. They may have came from YouTube. They may have came from Instagram, TikTok, whatever, right? You may be running some ads. It gives you all the data behind the scenes, right? But not only that, you can also email, okay? You can also email people who opt into your, let's say, email list, okay, for, let's say, your other program or your PDF or whatever, or even this ebook that I'm giving you here. They purchase, okay? It goes right to your Stripe account. You get paid, and you can continuously email your customers more information, more details, more value, solving more problems for them, more solutions, so on and so forth, okay? Now, once you've got all that laid out, right? Because that is the hard part. but it's also the easy part, because repetition is the mother of skill. Okay, once you do it one time, that's all you need to do. You only need to create the ebook one time. Okay, now, and you can continuously sell it over and over and over and over again. This is the reason why I love digital products so much, because again, you only need to create the digital product one time, but you can continuously make money with it. You get what I'm saying? So once you've created your ebook, okay, once you've added value, once you've solved problems, once you've, gave those solutions, right, that people are searching for, looking for in your specific niche, in your specific, interest or your expertise, whatever it may be, okay, you then need to start creating content. All right, listen, you need to start creating content around your expertise, around your knowledge, around your interest. All right, so staying on a category of swimming. Okay, you've got your ebook, you've got your website and everything like that, right? You've already started generating income off of it, right? Because you're creating content based on the information that you provided in your ebook. You're adding value, you're solving problems, right? Now you're creating content. So let's say you go swimming, 3 times a week, right? You're getting ready, you're recording videos, right? You're creating content. You're going shopping for, let's say, swim gear. You got you a new head cap, you got you some new goggles. You're creating content. Everything that you do revolving around your interest or your expertise or your whatever it is that you're knowledgeable in, right? Or you want to make content around, you have to create the content, okay? So again, let's say you go swimming 3 times a week, right? You're recording yourself going swimming. You might, let's say, do a quick video, how to do a breaststroke, or how to do a backstroke, whatever, right? You're creating videos on it. You're teaching, right? You're sharing value. You're answering questions. You're solving, right? You're solving questions that people are having online, okay? And you're just giving so much tremendous amounts of value. This also, again, applies to, let's say, certain headgear that you may wear, right? Certain headgear, you could recommend certain headgear. You could recommend certain goggles people should use, certain swim gear that people can use, so on and so forth, right? And the content is the most important thing, because you need to be creating content at least 3 to 4 times a week around your area, around your niche, your interest, your category. All right, so I hope this video helps you out. I hope you take action. If you need to rewatch this video, okay? I have something special for you below. You might find it. It's just really going to just help you, more so understand this whole thing and give you just a full blueprint. But if you need to rewatch this video, rewatch it. If you got any value, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get to work. It's your boy Nick Shine. Let's go. Have a good one.